Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm not going to do a cook. My brother-in-law Slim, the one that built the Slim Barrel smoker for me, he's going to do a a crab and seafood boil for us. He has one of those 90-quart LoCo boilers. I don't know if you've seen it before. I hadn't, so he wanted us to come over and cook us up a boil. You know, it's a Cajun boiler, seafood boiler. Anyway, hey, I don't have to cook, so I'm gonna go over there and enjoy some of that seafood boil. So let's go over, check this out, and see what you think. All right, come on, let's go. What is this? LoCo Cookers, or LoCo boiler. Check that out. Just fill it up. It's a 90 quart. Fill it up with water.
You want me to section it?
Yeah. Light the fire. Thing boils the water in about 15 minutes. And there's our seafood mix. We're adding some shrimp. This seafood mix has all kinds of stuff in it, even octopus, and of course shrimp. We're also got some crab legs, some corn, some little tiny potatoes, and we're gonna put some beef sausage in there too. And before you know it, he already added the corn and the seasonings to the water. Slip that in by me. So anyway, we're going to add the beef sausage. After that, we're going to add the seafood mix. It's got a bunch of different stuff in it. It's pretty cool. You can put everything in through the top. Then he's going to add the crab legs for us. Got a couple of bags of those. Get them all in there. Get in there. All right. Let the other bag out. It's quite a bit of crab. There's about, I think there's 8 of us going to enjoy this meal tonight. Just like that. Look at that, all floating around together. All right, and then we're going to add the shrimp towards the end because they cook up a lot faster. And once it's done, open that little hatch. Look at that. And you just dump it out onto that tray where the hatch is. This thing's pretty cool, huh? Look at all that food. My goodness. Okay, get that little LoCo spoon. That handle's about 3 feet long. And you just push it on down through that hole into an ice chest or whatever you want to put it in. Look at that. All that seafood goodness right there. Okay, then of course you got to have some melted butter, the fancy kind, melted by candles. And there's that tray I was telling you about. Look at that tray. You just throw your scraps in that center thing. It's sitting on a barrel. Easy cleanup. And man, this was good. All right, what did you think of that? That thing was amazing. The food was amazing. That table was crazy. You just, you know, eat your crab and throw the shells in the middle, your corn cobs in the middle, everything. Easy cleanup as far as that part goes. Anyway, that was the LoCo 90-quart boiler, and we had a great time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.